Okay, guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Whatever time you're tuning in, I certainly appreciate y'all to hear. Went to town a while ago, checked my post office box, and lo and behold, we got a box all the way from Parkdale, Oregon. 2,695 miles from here. Isn't this cool? Very cool, guys. Thank you so much, Kirby. Appreciate it, buddy. We're going to see what we have in here now. Notice what I'm using. Let's see what's in here. Oh my goodness. Look at all these goodies. Check this out. 1909 catalog. Oh my God. Check that out. It's 1979. Appreciate this, Kirby. That's going to be fun to look at. November 27th, 2023. Hello, Kevin. I'm sending your Christmas present early so you don't have to wait so long to open family gifts. I was raised in White County, north of Chattanooga, so finding your channel was like a trip home. Same country, same food and manners, same loyalty to the country and service, respect for other people. I've never been happier than when I was poking around in the old boxes at garage and yard sales, flea markets, and wherever there might be an old pocket knife, worn or broken, that might need to be saved. Problem is that now that I'm 85, God bless you, sir, drifting into late and unable to repair a knife without making a mess of it, I have to give up a wonderful pastime. My wife asks, what are you going to do with 300 old knives? And I have to answer, I don't know, because I'd rather cut off my foot than part with many of them. Maybe that's what's meant by too much of a good thing. Thank you, Kevin. You've given me many happy hours of seeing someone I like doing what I love. Now maybe I can share some of them with you. Regards, Jim Kirby. Mr. Jim, thank you so much, buddy. I appreciate it so much. And to imagine that I have touched someone that's so far away, 2,700 miles, it just means so much to me. And I'm going to cherish these knives. Thank you again, buddy. I appreciate it so much. So much, Mr. Kirby. I see here, these are some good old knives. And you even got one that's wrapped. And I'm pretty sure it's special. Thank you again, Mr. Kirby, for all these knives. A Remington. Wow. That is a Remington, y'all. Man, how about that? Viola Bella is pretty sure she had it as a little girl. She's 75. Shell handle. 2-inch long, easy open. Imperial 2-blade. Good snap. That's so awesome right here. Man. Check that out. That is a shell. Wow. Check that out, y'all. Good snap, man. There's the make right there. Man, that is so awesome. I'm going to keep that with that. Let's see what this one is here. It's like a Remington there. I love this little knife right here now. It's a really good shape. Other than the main blade. Mr. Kirby, thank you again, buddy. I know what this is, no? Might be an Imperial. I thought it might be one of them US ones. A Camillus. No, ain't got no make on it. United States Marine Corps, though. Hoorah! Got good snap on the blade. It's in really good shape. Yes, sir. That one's going to clean up very good. Thank you, Mr. Kirby, so much. I'm telling you, it's like Christmas around here, y'all. Thank you again. This is a Union knife. Man, that's an old knife right here now. You can just tell by the font that they used. Wow. That is an old knife, y'all. Old jackknife. This looks like a queen. No, it's an Ulster. Wow. Never seen an Ulster like this. $5.50. And this is an excellent knife. I love this knife. Man, that's such a nice knife. That's going to clean up so good. Thank you again, Mr. Kirby. A Utica? How about that? This knife's in great shape too. All the way from Oregon, y'all. All the way from Oregon. This knife looks like it's in good. That handle looks to be bone, but it looks like it's laminated with something. Yeah. I don't know. What kind of this? Oh my God, y'all. Look at that. That is a case tested. Oh man. Can you believe that? Mr. Kirby, thank you so much, man. Look at that logo, y'all. Oh my God. Oh my God. That is such an old knife. Wow. Man. I'm going to clean that one up. It's going in my personal collection. Colonial. That's a good knife too. Good snap. Wow. Great knife. Great knife. It's like a buck right here. No? Frontier. It's a good little knife. Man, that's a good knife. Let's see what this is. I'm gonna say I don't know. It's an old one though. It's an old Hayward Spencer Bartlett Company. Never heard of them. It's like a fingernail file. No, he has a fingernail file. Awesome, awesome, awesome. This is going to clean up really good. That knife's in great shape too. That's an old knife. Aluminum handles. This is a... Wow. Made in USA. Klein's and Sons, Chicago. Man, got the little leather strap on here too. I love it. Love it. This is a bone handle. Is it a case? Is it a case? No. Robinson. Wow. That's an old knife too, man. Mr. Kirby, thank you so much, man. These knives are so awesome. So awesome. I love these old knives, man. Can't make that out. Federal, maybe? Federal Knife Company in New York. It's an old one. Wow. I love these old knives, man. There's another fingernail file. Yeah, that blade's in great shape. IXL, is that from England? Yep, Sheffield. Yeah, IXL, that's awesome. That's an old knife. This knife's gonna clean up good, Imperial. Ain't nothing wrong with this knife other than it needs to be cleaned up. I can't wait to clean this one up. Man, look at that. That's an old knife. Look at the handles on that, y'all. Ain't that cool? See what this one is. The main blade. It's got a punch blade. Look at that. Wow. It's a big old punch blade. Let's see what kind this is. Oh, a Remington. Look at that. Wow. Ain't that cool? Remington. That's before 1942, because after 1940 and on, they had DuPont down there in the circle at the bottom, and that don't have that. See that? Remington UMC. That's an old knife right there now. Man, Stockman. Wow, it's got another little note in here now. St. Louis Bridge Cutlery Company, St. Louis. Let me check. Yeah, I can't make it out. I might have to get my other magnifying glass. There it is right there. I don't know if y'all can make it out or not. But this is a nice little knife here. It's going to be cleaned up very good. Can't wait to do that. And then we're going to save this one here. Whoa. Some type of advertisement that you can see. John something up there. But this is an old knife. Wow. It's like a Congress. Open this one up first. Look at that. I don't know. I have to look close to see what this one is. Ooh, boy, I'm shaking, y'all. I can't tell. I might get it under my big magnifying glass. But ain't this so cool, y'all? All the way from Parkdale, Oregon, from Mr. Kirby, 2,700 or 2,695 miles. That is unreal. And I'm gonna tell you, Mr. Kirby, your penmanship is good. I wish I could write this good. That looks really good. But Mr. Kirby, I cannot thank you enough for these knives now. But this right here, I'm gonna be cleaning up, and I'm gonna be carrying this knife for a little while. Just to say I did. Carried a case tested. I'm gonna be carrying this one for a little while too. Love this knife. Man, hoorah. Mr. Kirby, thank you so much for these knives again, man. I appreciate it so much. And thank you all who sent me knives, and I just thank you all for all the views, the subscribers. Thank you. I just cannot thank y'all enough. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank y'all so much again. I just want to say God bless y'all. And until we meet again, y'all be like a good knife. Stay sharp.